any data on this pass because my computer's doing a Windows update right now. Great time for that. Alright, came back on. That's good. It's hot in here. So I gotta try to figure all this out because I gotta do turn two-step on, do the burnout, or turn two-step off, do the burnout, turn it back on, put it in four-wheel drive. Heart is pounding out of my chest.
To come up and make a pass with the Ranger, and I'm the cameraman. His laptop decided to do an update while he was right about to pull up here, so hopefully he got that sorted out and can actually log this run. I think he's going to do four-wheel drive, so he doesn't have the slicks on yet, and we only got a little while left for the track to be open, so hopefully he can maybe make a pass four-wheel drive, and then with the slicks on, I don't know what his plan is, so. If he's going to do a burnout or not. Yeah, just get the water off the tires there. Good job. He's probably going to lock her in 4 here, probably. on a mission. 11.3, 123. Not bad on street tires.
That might have been it. I swear that was like 125 at least. I was flying. Oh my god. Thank you. Man. 11.3 at 123. So that's the fastest mile an hour. But it was a 1.960 foot. 1.960 foot. To the 8th. I guess that's not bad for a first pass. I can't be disappointed. It was flying, guys. It was flying. It felt pretty good. Alright, guys, we're going to try to make another pass. I'll be pretty much the last person going. So if I spill the guts all over the place, I won't feel too bad. So I was pretty happy with the last pass. It was the fastest mile an hour with the truck, but I didn't go 100% throttle until 44 miles an hour. Like I was still half throttle. I don't know what I was doing, but I turned the boost controller down a little bit, added some fuel. Because it hit like 21 pounds on that pass. I don't want to do that. It was like a 21 pounds and like 11.2 air fuel. Or 12.2, not 11.2. It was a 12.2. And it hit 13 a couple times at 21 pounds. So I don't want to do that. Looks like something happened at the end of the track. A lot of white smoke.
This thing hot?
Not really, 201.
I was worried about fucking sitting here getting hot.
Yeah, that's why I was running my fan.
Yeah.
But I don't want the battery to die.
Right? That was a fucking burnout. That's not good. Not good at all.
Got a problem down there.
Yeah.
Got that thing figured out there, Chris.
All right. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we had an issue with the track. One of the dragsters, the one that I just filmed, actually, something happened. So Ryan is sitting here at the tree, doing nothing. But hopefully this is it. That'll be a good one. Yeah, I was worried about his coolant temp because a lot of these LS motors, me and Ryan both have freaking problems keeping them cool with the iron block. But nah, he said it's okay. So. Yeah. Gonna let her eat, dude. Put her to the wood. Again. That wasn't right. Yeah, that was an awesome launch. Oh. 11.84 at 112.
That was because it sat here.
Damn it. Yeah, no, it definitely sat here and that didn't benefit at all. But yeah.
That was quite a bit slower. 118. 11.8. Alright guys, so overall I'm pretty happy with today. The second pass was a little bit slower, but the beginning of it was kind of shitty with that car braking, and then I had to sit there and going back for the burnout. I should have just went without another burnout, but I had the two-step on when I tried to do a burnout, so then I was like, fuck it, and I just went and didn't do one to try to get out because my coolant temp was getting hot. So it was still a 1.960 foot, even though I did have my foot down the whole time, so it didn't seem like it picked up any there. I don't really know what to think about that, but I only left on like 2 pounds, so I could wait longer, leave a little bit higher. But I was also running like 4 pounds less boost that pass, so I ended up hitting a peak of 21 on the first pass, and this was like 13 on this pass. So and it was a lot more rich. So this was like a solid 10.7 all the way across, where the other one was like a 12.2. So kind of in the danger zone there. But it did go a little faster, 5 mile an hour faster. So maybe that's just what the truck is going to need. I'm going to try to pull some fuel here and dial it in a little bit more. But right now we're going to take the victory lap because it didn't break. The four-wheel drive stuff didn't break. Everything's working fine. It feels good at the top of the track. The little diff is holding. It's doing pretty darn good. So let's just keep pushing it.